We're at the Loham Arena, and these are the products that y'all produce.
Yes.
So what is this?
So these are mostly battery materials and materials you get from recycling of lithium-ion batteries, such as manganese sulfate, cobalt sulfate.
Just one by one. So once again, so what did you say? By recycling the
Ion batteries.
ion batteries, this is what you get. So
Yes.
out of that you get, what is this known as?
This is manganese sulfate,
Yeah.
and this is used as a part of making new batteries.
Okay.
The cathode active material.
Okay.
This is a part of it,
All right.
along with cobalt sulfate,
Yes.
and over here, nickel sulfate
Yeah.
and lithium carbonate.
Okay.
These are primary materials in the cathode active material. Along with this is also carbon,
Yeah.
which is from graphite, which is present as an anode in the cell,
Okay.
along with casing of aluminium and copper.
Okay. Fantastic.
But
So
not exactly.
all of this is extracted from the black mass that you get after the lithium batteries
Are shredded.
are shredded. So a question for you now.
So,
So, huh.
so as per the question you had asked, it's the best way to dispose of lithium-ion batteries is to send it off to a recycling company, such as Loham, but there are other companies as well. But it's very hard for normal people to directly send it to companies.
Yeah.
So that is one infrastructure gap that we're currently trying to work on.
Okay.
And in the best way to dispose of it,
Yeah. Yeah. Then best way to.
the best way to dispose of it is to recycle, because you cannot just leave this material outside in a landfill because it will pollute the land completely. And these are very hazardous chemicals and could lead to fires as well if not dealt with properly. So hence, the best way to dispose is to recycle.
Okay. So the best way to deal with the Loham batteries is like what
So
you
the
said.
best way to deal with lithium-ion batteries is for the big ones like your EV vehicle batteries. Those are very easy to. It's very easy for them to reach us because we have tie-ups with various OEMs and etc. But smaller batteries such as your phone batteries and your watch batteries or anything like that, it's much harder to procure because they're so small. So that is something that we have to work towards, building infrastructure to collect these properly and dispose safely, because that's the most important thing.
So that way, in a way, we are going to sustain what?
So it's not really sustainable for a company or a service to go to each individual's house to just collect a small battery.
Yeah.
So there has to be some infrastructure.
So whatever you all are manufacturing,
Whatever we are manufacturing, whatever our processing is, the goal is to make our net carbon emissions zero.
so that is drive net zero. So that's Loham, and Loham comes from Loha. So which means metal which can be reused, and in the same way, just to get sustainable development,
Lithium-ion batteries.
so lithium ion batteries are recycled, and what have we?
The metals are continuously being reused. So
The metals are being continuously used, as you saw in this little arena out here. And can you name them? That is
manganese sulfate, cobalt sulfate,
carbon,
aluminium,
copper.
nickel sulfate, and lithium carbonate.
So yes, so that way we can. That is what we call sustainability.